Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fear Not English. Today I am going to explain regular and irregular verbs. Before knowing regular and irregular verbs, we must have the concept of verb forms. There are 4 forms of the verb. Among them, 3 are main and they are present or base form, past form and past participle form. The examples are given below. Love is a verb and this is the present form or the base form, and the past form of the verb is loved and past participle form is also loved. Walk is the base form of the present form. Past form of the same verb is walked and past participle form is walked. Now I am going to talk about a regular verb. A regular verb follows a normal pattern of inflection. The general rule is that regular verbs form the past and past participle forms by adding ed, d or ied. It means when the present form of the verb is changed to the past or the past participle form, ed, d or ied is added to the present form. There are some examples of regular verbs. Ask is the present form of the verb, and to change into past and past participle, ed is added here. Similarly, explained is the present form of the verb, past form of the verb is explained and the past participle form is explained. It means ed is added with the present form of the verb. Now here, this one, cure, here e is already there, so that only d is added to change it into past and past participle form. Now this one, move, move, the last letter is e, so e is already there with the word, so only d is added to change the verb into past and past participle form. Now carry is the first form of the verb or the present form of the verb, and to change it into past form or past participle form, y is replaced with I and after that ed is added. So second form or the past form of the verb is carried and the third form or the past participle form is also carried. Similarly, try is the present form, tried is the past form and past participle form is tried. So y is replaced with I and after that ed is added. Now let me talk about irregular verb. A verb that does not follow a fixed pattern to form past and past participle forms is called an irregular verb. So there is no fixed pattern of irregular verbs. It means in case of an irregular verb, the present form does not take ed, d or ied to form the past or the past participle form. There are some examples of irregular verbs. The first one is cut. Cut is the present form. Past form and the past participle form of cut is also cut. Similarly, hit, hit, hit. All the forms are same. Here, the third one is beat, beat, beaten. Here we can see the present form and the past form are same. Past participle form is different. Now here the next example is come, came, come. So first form of the verb, it means the present form and the past participle form are same, but the past form is different. Now next example is go, went, gone. Here all the forms are different. The last example is know, knew, known. Here also all the forms are different. So we can see that these verbs do not have any fixed pattern. Ed, d or ied is not added with them. Irregular verbs are divided into 3 types. First type, all 3 forms are the same. The first example is bet. This is the present form, and the past form of bet is also bet, and the past participle form is also bet. Similarly, put, 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 read, 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 set, 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 shut, shut, shut. Here, all three forms of the verbs are alike. Now, second type of irregular verbs. Here, two of the forms are the same. First example is become, became, become. Here we can see the present form and the past participle form are same. Past form is different. The second example is fight, fought, fought. So here second form or the past form and the past participle form are same, but the present form is different. The third example is leave, left, left. So here past form and the past participle form are same, but the present form is different. Similarly, make, made, made. First form is different, second and third forms are same. And the last example is say, said, said. Here also the second and the third forms are same, but the first form is different. Now third type of irregular verbs. Here all the forms of the verbs are different. First example is do. It is the present form. Past form is did. Past participle form is done. So we can see all the forms are different. Similarly, forget, forgot, forgotten. Hide, hid, hidden. See, saw, seen. Take, took, taken. So all the forms of the verbs are different. There are some verbs that have both regular and irregular forms. Now the first example is burn is the present form and the past form is burned or burned, and the past participle form is also burnt or burned. The second example is dream. This is the present form and the past form is dreamt or dreamed, and the past participle form is also dreamt or dreamed. Next example is learn. This is the present form and the past form is learned or learned, and the past participle form is also learned or learned. Next example is smell, and the past form of smell is smelt or smelled, and the past participle form is smelt or smelled. Last example is sow. This is the present form and the past form is sowed, and the past participle form is sowed or sown. So these verbs have both regular and irregular forms. Now I am going to underline the regular forms so you will understand in a better way. So I have underlined the regular forms, and those that I haven't underlined, they are irregular forms. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share my videos. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe now.